Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are nearly there in our journey to set up your online store. In this segment, we will walk you through the final steps to make your store fully operational. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, let's go over some extra information. We've talked about delivery previously, but here are some additional details. If you wish to restrict sales to a particular area, such as the United States, you can configure that in the Review Regional Settings section. Just click on Regional Settings and then Cart and Checkout. Please note that you will need to upgrade to access this tool. Alright, let's return to our dashboard. We're going to decide how to send your items. All you need to do is click here, then select Add Shipping. And from there, you can set up PHL post. The setup process will vary depending on your choice. You should also enter the name of the shipping company right here. The same goes for local delivery and self-pickup. The system will provide step-by-step guidance. It is as simple as that. Let us return to our dashboard once more. Now, it's time to configure how customers can pay. With Equid, you've got a few options, but let's keep it straightforward. I personally use Stripe and PayPal. Stripe lets customer pay with the credit cards and the fees are the same everywhere. You won't miss out on anything by sticking to these choices. To get them working, all you have to do is activate them. If you'd like a pay by cash option, simply type in the payment method's name during checkout. Easy as that. Great job! You have now completed the checklist and your store is 100% set up. Let's see how it looks. Remember, it will look even more appealing with multiple product listings. This is your storefront preview, and you can customize it further. Remove this text, add your store's email, and consider including your social media links for a more legitimate look. Now, let me walk you through what happens when you receive a sale. It is a crucial part of the process. To manage your orders, simply navigate to the My Sales Ops section. From there, click on the order. This is where you will find all the details if someone has made a purchase of your product. It is a central hub for keeping track of your sales activity. Equid connects with Printful, allowing you to automate order processing. Install the Printful app into your Equid store. Connect your Printful account. So just click on Apps and click on App Market. Search for Printful and install it and just follow the prompts. But since I already downloaded it before, I will just click on the Open app. And lo and behold, now you can manage everything from your Equid dashboard. When you receive an order, input the product details, color, size, and any additional options like embroidery. Remember, different options may have different costs. Input your customer's shipping information. You can split your screen for efficiency, with your order on one side and the Equid dashboard on the other. Take a moment to understand your product's cost. Factor in shipping, which you can set based on your preferences. You can either offer free shipping, increase the shipping price slightly to cover expenses, or adjust the product price itself. The goal is to make at least $10 profit per sale. Once you have filled in the order details, including the customer's address, you will see the estimated delivery date and the price breakdown. Stripe payments typically take a few days to reach your bank account, while PayPal funds are immediate. Set expectations for a processing time of 2 to 3 business days on your website. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your online store, learned how to process orders manually, and discovered the benefits of automating with Printful. Remember, building your business takes time and dedication, but it's an exciting journey. Continue your journey of discovery and learning. And feel free to seek assistance or guidance whenever needed. In our upcoming video, we will delve into how to market your print-on-demand business. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and drop your questions in the comments section. We appreciate your presence today and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.